In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log into Shopify. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar at the top, type shopify.com and load the page. Once the Shopify homepage appears, look for the Login option. It is usually located near the top of the page. Select Login to move to the sign-in screen. On the login page, you will first identify your account. In the field provided, enter the email address associated with your Shopify account. Take a moment to double-check for any typing errors, since a small mistake can prevent you from signing in. After you enter your email, select the option that says Continue with Email. This tells Shopify that you want to sign in using your email credentials. Next, you will authenticate your account. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type your password carefully, paying attention to capitalization, numbers, and any special characters. If you are in a shared space or recording your screen, make sure your password is not visible to others. When you are ready, select Login to submit your information and access your account. After a successful login, you may see a list of stores connected to your account. This is common if you manage more than one Shopify store, or if you have access to a client or team store. Find the correct store name in the list. Then click on the store name to open it. This will take you directly into the Shopify admin dashboard, where you can manage products, orders, customers, and settings. If the store list does not appear and you go straight into the admin area, that is normal as well. It usually means your account is linked to a single store, so Shopify opens it automatically. Once you are in the admin dashboard, you are fully logged in and ready to work. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.